Do you love Halloween or do you love Halloween?
I absolutely adore Halloween.
So do I.
It is so fun.
So do I. It is about fun, but sometimes the price of costumes will have you howling.
And not in the good way.
No.
But there are better, cheaper, more creative, and memorable ways to get a beautiful costume and look like a Hallow Queen without the spooky costs. So joining us to showcase easy DIY Halloween costumes is Carrie Quigley, founder of the fashion class here in New York City, and her young assistant. Look at her, Layla. Hello, Layla. Hi. Thank you for coming. Carrie, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
I still have my pen from last time.
Awesome.
The head may have fallen off, but I've kept it. When I track down a hot glue gun, I will fix it.
Oh, it's funny you should
Well,
say
actually, I
that.
should have brought it down.
Okay, so last time she was on the show, last time you were on the show, first of all, I confess that I'm terrible at this sort of thing.
Yes.
So when I first came over, she
She
said,
was very angry.
she said, we have hot glue guns, but I'm going to walk you through it.
Yes.
I love
I said,
that.
as long as
I've got
she's
you.
here.
I've got you.
But we did back to school crafts.
We did back to school crafts, and
Yeah.
now we're here for Halloween, my favorite holiday.
Why is crafting so important for kids
I think
of all ages?
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
problem solving.
Yes.
It's a confidence boost on
Yeah.
Halloween. You can say I made my costume. It's a great way to make memories
Yeah.
as a family.
Yeah.
You know, turn off the screens, do it together, make
love
something.
this. I love it.
Activate the motor skills and all that
Okay.
good stuff. Now, you're going to walk us through, you and Layla, you are going to
Yes.
walk us through making a
Layla.
costume that requires no sewing. So, I see some
Yes.
fuzzy stuff. You
We
knew
have-
purple was
What
my
are we
favorite
doing here?
color.
Some
Thank
glue
you.
guns and fur. So we're gonna
Layla,
start.
do you like a glue gun?
Yeah.
You do.
No hesitation there. She's like, I know how to
Take a
use a glue
page
gun.
out of her book. All
So
right.
you need
Okay.
a glue stick. All right, so we are gonna take our headbands, ladies.
Oh.
And we're gonna find the center of our fur, which I've marked off for you. So these are our fuzzy monster costumes.
Oh my gosh.
And this is just the easiest costume ever. So fun and really good for any age.
Okay.
You know, boys, girls, mom, dad, grandma, whoever can wear this.
Mom, dad, or grandma? Miriam is definitely
Oh my God,
wearing this.
yeah,
Or all
we're
of the
making your
above,
costume for
yes. And we're gonna take these glue guns and we're just gonna do, oops, mine is a little sticky.
Okay.
On the center of the headband, you're just gonna give me a whole bunch of glue right there.
Do I gotta put one of these things
Right on
in
the
here?
center, on the top.
On the
I gotta put-
center.
do I have to put this
Oh,
in?
you have one in there.
I have one in there,
Yeah.
Maddie. Oh,
Okay,
mine is-
so we're gonna do
mine has
glue
leaked
on the
out on the
top.
felt.
Yeah, watch the.
Here? This business?
Nope,
No.
on the top of the headband
Ay,
here.
ay, ay.
Layla, how we
Okay.
doing? And then we're
Layla's
gonna
like,
take
I'm
the
done.
center of that
Layla is
fur,
like,
and we're
please.
gonna glue
The
it.
glue is not really coming out.
Yours isn't coming out.
You want
Okay.
mine?
Here, let's.
Did I
let's
do
help
too
you.
much, Carrie?
Oh, yours is perfect. And
Oh,
now you want to
look
put
at
the
that.
center of that fur straight on that headband.
And
the
these
smell
are,
of this.
is stuff we can get at our local craft store.
Yep, these are easy to get. I got these on Amazon. They're just fur strips, rolls
Just
of
a-
fur. Easy. And they come in
Search
any
for
color.
Fur strip.
And so then what am I doing? I'm
we're
attaching
gonna
this
switch.
business.
And then we're going to attach the center of your
Which
fur
way?
across the
Oh, okay.
headbands like this.
So like this.
like where you made the thing.
Exactly. You got it.
Oh, boy.
You got it. We're going to switch. We're going to switch glue
Oh,
guns.
I see where we're going.
This is my
I
new
see
one.
what's-
Where's your headband? Okay.
You good?
There we go.
I'm good. It felt a little heavy. I didn't want to.
No, muchacha.
Okay.
It has to.
Glue the fur
Uh-oh.
on. Oh,
I
no.
already
this
messed
way.
up.
What
Has to go this
happened?
way.
There you go.
Okay.
Press that on there. You got
Oh,
it?
Layla's got
Oh, yours is
multicolor.
fine.
Hold on, hold on. I gotta
see
go
it.
again.
Okay.
All right, well, we're going to move
You
on.
guys move
So,
on without me. Leave me behind.
Next, we're going to do, if you just hold that up, we're going to do
Okay.
some big googly eyes
Ooh.
on either side.
Now, how far in advance do you make the Halloween costume?
Last
like
year
this?
I did it day of.
The day of.
And I literally glued my daughter's chicken costume that she's wearing today.
I
You'll
cannot
see it in
wait
a
for everybody
minute.
to see this costume.
The day of.
Seriously.
Day of.
I might have to be a
I took
chicken
about
for
an
Halloween.
hour. Yeah.
Okay, now we've got.
Now we're in business over
All
here
right.
in the end.
Let's see.
So,
Layla, by
Alex-
the way, I love the manicure that you did for this.
So did you just glue those on?
And then we
She
just
did.
glue the eyes on. Yep. Glue
This
the
is
eyes
the
on.
best.
You don't even do it yourself?
arts and crafts.
Oh,
I've
yes, I
done
did
nothing
it. Here we go.
because I'm terrible at this.
Yeah,
business.
so here's
I'll help you
one.
with it.
So we're gonna do one
Here, I'll take
right
this business.
here,
Put my
and I'm
eyeball
gonna
on
let you
for
do
me,
the
please.
other
Oh.
one. Are you guys? I know the glue gets a little straight.
Okay. Here we go. Right there. Okay, and
Luckily,
next one.
yes. And
What
then
are
you
we
go.
making? We're gonna be monsters.
You're gonna be monsters. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Like
Can
here?
you put
Yep,
my
right
next
there.
cartridge in, please? It's right behind you. Okay, thank you. Give her a good little push.
I'm not good at this. Go,
Hold
go,
on,
go,
hold
go,
on.
go.
All right.
no.
So I'm gonna take this.
Okay,
one
watch
right
those
here.
fingies. Watch those fingies. Okay.
Okay.
If that one isn't working.
There we go.
Those of you at
No,
home,
they're okay.
Listen,
These
We
ones work
promise
a
it's
little
easy.
better.
If we can do it,
if
you
we
can
can
do
do
it.
it, you can do it. It helps to have a helper.
My eyes are sideways, but what else is new? Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
Then
do
we
this
just.
with a friend or a family member.
Yeah, exactly. It's a fun thing to do
Sometimes
together.
you need more hands than
Okay.
two. So the next step.
Next step, we're gonna go to the bottom of these little fur strips here.
So we turn her over.
Hold
turn
on,
her
look at
over.
hers.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, I know we're.
By the way, I
Little
thought these were tortilla chips that I was going to eat.
Don't eat those, they're felt.
They are
Not
felt.
edible.
So we have the making of
A monster.
the top.
A
We
fuzzy
have
monster.
We've put eyes on. We've put a headband on.
We're just gonna find the
Where's
bottom
that
of
overhead
these.
shot? Okay.
And then we're just gonna take our glue gun. I'm gonna borrow yours
might have
for
a
1
lazy eye, but
second.
It's okay.
It's all right. It's a monster, you know.
That's
There are
right.
no rules.
I could have. You could even put one eyeball on. You're a
We're gonna do
cyclops.
a line and a line.
So now you're doing a line on either side.
and we're just flipping it up and pressing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you got
Where?
Sounds good.
So just a line
A
and
line
a
and
line.
a line.
Here, I'll let you.
that?
do
Line and a
yours.
line, and you make like a little pocket.
Where?
Make a little pocket.
Like this business?
Just about 3 inches up from the bottom.
And then this
Like
business?
this?
Yep, exactly. You got it.
Layla, do you like doing this?
Yeah.
A lot or a
So
little?
are you really into crafting at home, Layla?
Yeah.
What's your favorite craft to make?
I like making forts with like boxes and
Oh
stuff.
God, I love a good fort.
She makes a fort with
You know what? While we continue this
She's a
process,
genius.
we mentioned that
Oh,
you brought a
we
few
have models.
other children, models,
Let's not be ridiculous.
wearing some other costumes that you've made. So
Without any further ado, who do we have?
shall we start the fashion show?
I think it feels like the right thing to do. The first up is who? Who's this?
So this is my daughter Ellie, and she is a chicken. Ellie, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake your
Shake like a
feathers.
little-
Let me see, Ellie. Give me some
Thank
chicken
you,
wings. Give me
Ellie.
some chicken wings.
Good job, Ellie.
Excellent, and that looks like you did. It was like a boa.
I basically glued a feather boa to a t-shirt.
She is adorable.
Yep, and I glued felt to the headband to make the chicken. I used
I
the
see
same
the
googly
eyeballs.
eyes.
And
Yep.
that's it.
Good job, sweetie.
And then just on the bottom, it doesn't matter.
Nope.
You can
wear
pick it up.
whatever on the bottom.
I
Yep.
have
You
to
can pick it
mention,
up.
since she walked in here, she's had her arms out like this.
She's been camera ready.
She has not put those wings down. I
Okay.
love it. I love the dedication to the craft. All
You
right.
can go with Steph, or you can go.
Who is next?
Next
Follow
we-
the blonde lady.
We have
Oh
Sloan.
my
Hello,
goodness. Sloan.
Sloan is our beautiful
Oh my
strawberry.
gosh.
Again, felt, a red t-shirt.
Oh, and what I thought were
Make a
tortilla
little leaf
chips.
necklace.
But these are.
Yes. Well, these are your claws.
That's
These
a
are your
leaf.
monster.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, the
Isn't
little
she cute?
strawberry seeds. That is
Adorable.
precious. I'm getting
What-
inspiration for my
How
Halloween
did you make
costume.
the stem? Is that
So
felt?
felt with ribbon, and I made a necklace.
And that is
It's just
it.
a necklace,
And
yeah.
whatever is on the bottom is on the bottom.
On the
Good
bottom,
job.
yep.
Thank
That's
you.
I love a
Heather.
good legging.
And who is this?
This is Lena, and she is
Hello,
our
Lena.
rainbow. This is my favorite because it's so colorful and fun. I made a poncho, so I cut a big circle
Yep.
out of
Oh.
felt, and then a tiny circle to go over the head, and I painted a rainbow and added clouds with cotton balls.
Is that paint, or is that like fabric paint, or?
I used acrylic paint, just
She just
basic
used
paint.
basic paint.
Yep, and it looks so
Wow.
pretty.
And that is
And a
gorgeous.
sun crown, of course.
And a
I needed
sun-
the glitter.
Well, you need a
I
crown
the
and some
glitter.
glitter,
Yes.
please.
If you go this far, you might as
You
well.
need, yes.
Now, I
Okay,
believe,
thank
look,
you,
and
ma'am.
look at your daughter still has her chicken wings up. And last but very not least,
Genius.
This is Olivia, and she is our gumball machine.
Love it.
oh, yes,
Yes.
please.
So again, a t-shirt as a base, glue some big pom-poms on there, and make a gumball. I
is
used felt for
fantastic.
the bottom just to finish it off, and you could pair it with really anything.
Anything. I like this for many reasons. Like you said, it gets our kids and caregivers involved in the process. It's also user-friendly.
Here we go.
Also,
Here's my
where'd
costume.
you get those capris? Because I
Here,
like
Layla,
them.
I'm gonna have you walk
I
over.
like those capris that she's wearing.
We also have Layla
shoot.
over
Oh,
here,
and Layla.
too.
Sorry. Last but not least,
And she's in
Layla.
our monster.
Layla is the actual finished product of what we were trying to put together.
And
And
you got your little
Oh, I
monster
love her.
Did
claws.
poorly.
Whoops, zip falling. Did I put it on you correctly?
by the way,
And look at Layla's butt. Did we already mention the leg warmers?
what's the matter, mommy? Hi. Hi. You wanna
sweetie,
come here,
come
little
here.
chicken? It's
Wanna come over
okay.
here?
Oh,
She's doing. She's holding it
I don't
together.
know why I'm
She's
kneeling.
holding
I don't
it
have
together.
to.
well,
I'm the
thank
same height as all of you. Carrie, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having
Ladies.
us.
Guys, check out
Thank you
Carrie
so
at the
much.
Fashion Class and on Instagram at the Fashion Class for more ideas like
Yeah.
this and just fun.
Happy
Great job,
Halloween.
everybody.
Yeah, thank you,
Everybody ready for
guys.
Halloween and candy?
Yes.
Yeah, we love candy. All right, guys.
We'll be right back.
But I want my.
You want your bucket?
We want
okay.
candy right now. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Stick around.
There's
we'll be
the
right
bucket.
back.
We got your